yeah, King Sizzla, Rastafari. Peace, love, and blessing always. Who's a bless? Who's a bless? All I'm putting on my selector. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Imperial Majesty, and Pride of King Sizzla the first. Sir, Rastafari, the part of the world, and Mr. Bless your limbs. Bless all your organs, bless your family, bless your parents, alright? So you know, so we always have to burn the fire for black people, and still represent Naya Bingi, I am Congo. Push up the fire! You know, say a Peter touch region the star. Alright, so we're going to get it started now. So first of all, pleasant welcome to all the fans. You know, the person supporting this stage show. Big respect. A judgment child of Sizzla College, alright? Hey, don't play no mind games with me. Man a big man, man a big me. Tell about the light what's with me. Smiling face, no mind games with me. Turn it up. Hey, man a big man, man a big me. Tell about the light what's with me. Hey, smiling face, man a with me. Oh, can't tell me no, miss a big up a Belmont. Can't this Westmoreland when they help them and tell about. Rise up, you sit there, them and the place start to sell out. Y'all love the body, so our belly start to sweat out. Anyway, they go on more fire, be them on. Pound up, y'all pussy, never you put your tongue. From your love, the maximum, on the boss, on the god. Here comes the region, you can pick. Don't play the mind game with me. Man a big man, man a big me. Tell them about the lights on. Hey, smiling face, but them not with me. Don't play no mind games with me. Man a big man, man a big me. Tell them about the lights on, trick me. Smiling face, but them not with me. That is smart. Tell them about the lights, but them coming to that. Big up the youth of these Western South and North. Get your education, no time for your start. In them violate, you know they're gonna be exiled. Emperor Selassie, I don't see so you garage. Don't you wanna see them take up to them, see me all the time. Hey, Melbourne people, they tell you love from your heart. Don't play no mind games with. That's how my selector. Run trees, next one. Selassie, original system, alright. Try you don't know more fire. The man about the fire, push up in fire. Push up in fire. Hey, hey. Yes, selector. You must know when my rhythm come down, you know. Alright? So keep it bumping. Hey, what's my name? All of my people and all of my other street youngsters who Westmoreland, they ain't gonna see us. Hey! So what I ever found? Oh, I have some good luck. To me. Selector, you go on. Pay attention to the people I work for. On money and on a post and car and everything there. You feel the earthquake over there? And the place shake over there? Praise God! I'm a total you, God bless us, Americans. I trust that we gon' get there, this day to come. I've never doubted, I've kept the faith. Pull a pass! Pass! We don't pay no tax for the government of Jamaica legalize no Batman. We don't pay no tax for the government legalize no Batman. Push up in fire. Run with him in the way. I'm gonna big up your depart. Stop running with me. Stop it, you know. I'm mad enough. We don't pay no tax. The my government legalize no Batman. I'm gonna pay my tax. I'll let me know the money. I still have put in my computer. Fire! Yo! I'm a touch on you. God bless us. And America's so strong. I trust that we gon' get there. We go hard to make a people. Put them out. I never doubted. I kept the faith all along now. Good persons, humble servant. We gon' Jamaica, Westmoreland, Belmont. You surely deserve all the best and reading. And I got all the love to give. Pull up. When me about my fire, the man can't tell me about me now, I get no visa. I'm gonna have like, who business about visa and play? Yeah? And I see people, come to them. Don't let me fire they want, but this is not trying to lock you them out of the music. Listen to me. Naturally, you can't just go to the embassy and get on the farm and pay everything and you apply, no? You can say yeah, them say no, no? Yeah. With a business, don't sell out for a visa. No found appearance of lands. All you do is just want to dress up every day cute and nice, but you know I live in a doorway. You see the lands them on always a quarrel about teach up their cows and animals. And them lands they know buy up and clothes and everything there. A Batman symbol, no Batman brand in Jamaica. Some people see me about fire about Sizzla enough about Batman. In Jamaica, Batman is illegal. You see how you tell me don't